kids, how's your day? This is Teacher Jamvi. I will help you again with your lesson in English. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates to videos. Thank you! English 2, Quarter 4, Week 7. The topic is reading short vowel sounds in phrases, sentences, and stories. In this lesson, you are expected to read phrases, sentences, and short stories with short vowel sounds and answer who, what, and where questions. Reading short vowel sound in phrases, sentences, and stories is one of the techniques that builds fluency, aids comprehension, and improves oral reading skills. Read the following phrases and sentences with short vowel sounds. Let us read all together. This is Big Hen. The dog can wag his tail. Vet and cat. The mop is on the map. Has a hat. The man has a big bun. So what are the underlined letters? The first one for big and hen, it's letter I. And for hen, it's E, right? And vet, it's E, it's the medial again. As you notice that it's a medial vowel sounds, right? Like vet in the middle, letter A, and cat, A for has, and A for hat. The dog with O in the middle, can, A in the middle, mop, it's O in the middle, and map, it's A, letter A in the middle, and man, A in the middle, I for big in the middle, and bun in the middle for letter U. Those are the underlined letters. Okay? Good. For learning task 1, match its picture in column A with the correct phrase in column B. Write the letters of your answer in your notebook. So, matching type, children. So, for number 1, look at the picture there. Number 2, okay. And we're going to answer the questions afterward, okay? For that particular picture. For number 1, let us read tag on a bag. Okay, the question is, what is on the bag? Letter A, the tag. Letter B, the rug. Letter C, the mug. Okay, what will be your answer? The correct answer is A, letter A. Okay, for the second one, what is that picture? A fat man. Then the question, who is fat? A, the vet. B, the man. C, the lad. So, what is the correct answer? Good. It should be letter B, the man. For learning task 2, let us read the sentences and answer the questions. Write your answers in your notebook. So let us read, okay? Cat eats rice and fish. The question is, who eats rice and fish? Number 2, the ham is in the pan. What is in the pan? Okay, number 3. Let us read all together. The man is in the van. Where is the man? That's the question. And how about number 4? Let us read, kids. The rat is inside the hat. And the question is, what is in the hat? And number 5, the rag in the bag. So, what is the question? What is in the bag? Okay, now let us answer, kids, for number 1. The question is, who eats rice and fish? So, the answer is, good, cat eats rice and fish. And the question is, who eats rice and fish? It is a question, who? Meaning, sino? Sino ang kumain ng kanin at ng isda? Diba? Who? So, ang sagot niyan, dapat tao. Okay. So, cat eats rice and fish. You got it? Okay, good. For number 2, the question there is, what is in the pan? What is your answer, kids? Good. The answer is, the ham is in the pan. The question is about what? Ano? Ano bagay. Ang nasa loob ng kawali. Diba? So, ang tamang sagot dyan ay ham. Because it is asking, what is in the pan? Ano ang nasa loob ng pan? Nakuha nyo? Good. Okay, for number 3, where is the man? So, what is your answer there? Good. The man is in the van. So, it is, the question is about where. Ano ibig sabihin ng where? Saan? Saan daw yung tao? The answer must be, the man is in the van. It's a place. It answers the question, where? Ito ay sumasagot sa katanungang saan? Nasaan ba yung tao? Diba nasa loob ng van? Okay, good. Number 4. What is in the hat? Okay. Correct. Your answer is, the rat is in the hat. It is asking about something inside the hat. So what is something inside the hat? It should be the rat. Okay, good. For number 5, children, let us answer this. What is in the bag? Ano ang nasa loob ng bag? Okay, nice. The correct answer is, the rag is in the bag. So, ang tinatanong, ano ang nasa loob ng kanyang bag? So, ang sagot, syempre, ito ay bagay. So, it is a rag. The rag is in the bag. You got it, kids? Well done. Let us read the meaning of phrase, okay? A phrase is a group of words without complete thought. Ibig sabihin sa Tagalog nito, ito ay parirala. Ito ay lipon ng mga salita na hindi siya nagsasaad ng buong diwa. Okay? Bakit hindi buo? Kasi parirala lang siya. Okay? So, read a sample of phrases below. Let us read a sample. In the mud. Okay? For my cat. From the sun. At the mat. These are the example of phrases. Phrases, mga parirala na hindi nagsasaad ng buong diwa at kahulugan. Kaya sila tinawag na parirala. Okay? Okay, how about sentence? What is the meaning of sentence? Sentence is a group of words with a complete thought. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a period. So, ito na yun, children, ha? So, kanina, parirala. Ngayon naman ay pangungusap. Ito ay isang lipon ng mga salita na nagsasaad ng buong diwa at kahulugan. Ito ay palaging nagsisimula sa malaking titik at nagtatapos sa tuldok or any punctuation mark. Halimbawa, pag tayo ay nagtatanong, di ba? Anong punctuation mark ang ginagamit natin? Question mark. Pag ikaw ay you are expresses your strong feeling. Nagsasaad ng matinding damdamin. Anong ginagamit natin? So, exclamation point. Those are also included in there. Read the sentences below. The cat sleeps on the mat. I have a hat and a cap. Then Ben has 10 pens. Look at the given sentences. The first letter is capitalized, like this one, the. Look at letter T, diba? Then, it ends with a period because it is a sentence. And you know very well that a sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. Nagsasaad ng buong diwa. At mayroon siyang simuno, the cat, at mayroon siyang panaguri na sleeps on the mat. Kompleto siya. Okay, nandun ang kahulugan niya. Maliwanag? Very good, kids. So, let's proceed to the story. A story tells a single event or experience that helps you develop your vocabulary and comprehension skills. Ano ba to sa Tagalog ng story? Di ba kwento? Ang kwento raw ay, syempre, pag nagkukwento, alam natin ang mga event, experience, at nade-develop sa atin ang ating vocabulary at ang ating pag-intindi or comprehension skills. Kasi may mga tanong yon. Okay? Good. Let us read the story below that contains short vowel sounds. So, there is also a story there with the short vowel sounds. You know very well the short vowel sounds, right? Okay, good. Let us read all together. A polite dog. Okay. My dog, Bob, is a polite dog. It always follows my orders. When I say sit, it sits. When I say jump, it jumps. One day, I asked Bob to look after the food on the table as I go to the store. It guarded the food to make sure that no one comes near it. As I returned, Bob was still there, guarding the food. I am very happy to have a very obedient dog. So, look at that story, kids, and also the short vowel sounds there with words having a short vowels. Okay, tingnan nyo ang ating kwento. Maiksing kwento. Ano napansin nyo? Okay, ang napansin nyo ay nagsisimula ito sa dapat ang pamagat ay capitalized. Tulad yan, a polite dog, A, capitalized, P, capitalized, and D, capitalized. So, lahat ng story ay merong pamagat. And look at the first one. It was indented and starts with capital or big letter M. And it ends with a period because this is an example of a sentence also. Look at that. And there are also events for that. And after we read, of course, we have to answer the different question for comprehension skills. Kaya dapat, pag binasa natin, naiintindihan din natin kasi ang kasunod niyan ay mga katanungan. Okay? Good. For Learning Task 3, read each sentence, answer the questions. Write your answers in your notebook. Okay, let us read again. The fan is on the bed. What is on the bed? Dan has a pet hen. Who has a pet hen? Number 3, the man is on the farm. Question, where is the man? And number 4, the fish is on the net. It means to say we're going to change on to in. So it becomes the fish is in the net. What is in the net? And number 5, Sam is holding a pen. Who is holding a pen? So look at those different questions. The first one starts with what question? And the second is who question? And the third is where question. Another for number 4 is what question and who questions for number 5. So 1 refers to an object or a thing, right? You are asking for a thing because of the question what. And second, you are asking about a person because it's who question. And where is asking the place where it is. And another what for a thing. And who for a person you are asking. Now let's start answering for number 1. What is on the bed? Okay, what is your answer, kids? Good. The fan is on the bed. And of course, because it's a sentence, it should be start with capital letter and ends with a period. Okay? So number 2, who has a pet hen? Is asking about a person, right? Because of the question who. So what is your answer? Yes, the correct answer is Dan. Dan has a pet hen. And it answers the question who. Sino? Who. In Filipino, sino ang merong alagang hen. Okay? Sunod naman, the question is, where is the man? So look at that. Asking about where. Saan ang tao? Nasaan? So the man is on the farm. So look at that. It asks the questions where, so the answer should be farm. You got it? Okay. For number 4, what is on the net? It should be what is in the net. Okay, so the answer is the fish is in the net. So it refers to the fish. That's why the question is what? And number 5, who is holding a pen, kids? Good. So asking about who, meaning Sam. Sam is holding a pen. And it answers the question who. That's why it should be Sam. Do you understand, kids? Good. For learning task 4, you have to read the story, then answer the questions. Choose the letter of the correct answer. Write your answers in your notebook. So let us read the story. The title of the selection or the story is In the Farm. My family owns a big farm. One day, my cousins Pam and Nam came to the farm. Pam has a pet dog and Nam has a cat. The dog ran to the pen and chased the hen. The cat jumped to the drum and fell on the ground. So, do you understand the short selection? The first question is, who came to the farm? Is it A, Pam, B, Nam, or C, Pam and Nam? Okay, so what is your answer, kids? Good. The correct answer is letter C, Pam and Nam. And number 2, what did Pam and Nam have? Okay, is it dog and duck for letter A, B, dog and cat, C, dog and rat? So what is your answer, kids? Nice! It should be letter B. Good job, kids. For number 3 question, where did the dog run? Where? So is it A, in the pen, B, in the dam, C, in the drum? Okay, what is your answer? Good, it should be letter Yes, letter A, in the pen. Good job, kids. For learning task 5, you have to read the story, then answer the questions. write your answers in your notebook. So, ano ulitin natin ha? We have to read the story. Then understand the selection of the story because we're going to answer the questions. Got it? Okay, the title of the short story is Nan and Dan. Nan and Dan are brothers. Nan is 8 years old while Dan is 7 years old. They are studying in Mabunga Elementary School. Nan has a big school bag while Dan has a small one. They ride in a van with their father in going to school. Now let us answer the questions, okay? Who are brothers? Yes, Nan and Dan are brothers. You're right. How about the second question? What is the size of Nan's bag? Okay, Nan has a big school bag. Okay? Number 3. What is the size of Dan's bag? Dan has a small one. Okay, number 4. Where do they ride in going to school? Kids, where? Good. They ride a van. Okay? How about number 5? Who rides with them going to school? Who? Okay, so father rides with them in going to school. You got it? Good, children. Good job. Complete the paragraph by selecting your answers from the box. Write your answers in your notebook. Okay, so these are the choices: story, phrase, and sentence. Okay, a blank is a group of words without complete thought, while a blank is a group of words with complete thought. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a period. A blank tells events and experiences. It helps develop your vocabulary and comprehension skills. Now, children, let us answer, okay? So, what is your answer for number 1? Good. It should be phrase. How about number 2, kids? Nice. It is a sentence. How about number 3? Good. It's a story. So let us read once again. A phrase is a group of words without complete thought, while a sentence is a group of words with complete thought. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a period. A story tells events and experiences. It helps develop your vocabulary and comprehension skills. Good job, kids! That's the end of our lesson today, kids. For that, give yourselves a big hand! Yay! And bye for now, kids. See you again next video.